Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with Essentials. Confirm Delta's exact version and that your license supports automation. Once done, backup current configurations. Save one copy locally and one to cloud storage. Next, enable developer or advanced mode in settings. This unlocks automation controls you'll need. Now open the Auto Execute panel so you can follow the next steps. Make sure you have admin credentials ready. This prevents permission errors and speeds the remainder of the setup. You now create the Auto Execute rule. Give it a clear name, select the trigger type, and assign a priority. Then define precise conditions. Use Boolean logic and parameter ranges to avoid false positives. Once conditions are set, map actions. Attach scripts, notifications, retries, and set timeouts. After that, run the built-in simulation or test with sample data to verify behavior. Make sure to log outputs for each step so you can audit and iterate quickly. You finish by enabling the rule and watching the first several runs closely. Validate success metrics and look for edge case behavior. If anything fails, disable the rule, restore your backup, and adjust conditions or priorities. Make sure logging is verbose for initial operations so you can trace problems. One key troubleshooting tip: if actions fail, check permission errors and raise timeouts. Network or resource delays often cause premature failures. Finally, document changes and schedule periodic reviews.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.